Hello everyone, this is Finance Nick. Today I bring you an awesome video translated from FinJEDI himself. This video will analyze and demonstrate how best to purchase Wcru as well as discuss in detail the conversion process through several methods. Don't forget to share this video with your partners, like the video, and subscribe to my channel to help reach more investors. First and foremost, we have to check whether you already have a wallet or not. If you do not have a wallet, then the most effective and simple way to open one is to purchase Wcru on your UGPay group dashboard. Please make sure that you have registered on the platform through the link given to you by your partner or friend who introduced you to this opportunity. If you do not have that link, then you can follow the link in my description. Once registered and you're on the UGPay platform, go to your wallet, click Purchase, choose the amount and your method of payment. You can see here that you can make this purchase with cryptocurrency or your bank account. Moving on, in the Packages section, once you have funded your wallet, you want to make a purchase for the amount that you require. Put the amount in and press Purchase. Don't forget that members of the Elite Club have special discounts for the purchase of Wcru tokens. Next, we go to Portfolio. In this section, you will see a message that asks you to generate a seed phrase. Follow the instructions given in the description under Seed Generation Manual to generate the key to your wallet. Step 2. Decide on the amount you would like to invest and receive Wcru. Step 3. Register on Unitex exchange. See the instructions in the description under Unitex registration. Step 4. We need to calculate the transaction cost and commission for purchasing Wcru tokens on the exchange. For this, FinJEDI has created a calculator, link in the description, that will help you calculate the amount of Wcru that you would like to purchase and the amount of USDU that you will need to have specifically for this conversion. So, we go to the calculator and in the first yellow field we type the amount that we would like to invest. Next, we add 10% as a buffer that will cover commission fees. Thirdly, we type the Wcru price that is on the blockchain. Lastly, we type the Wcru price that UGPay have set, also seen on the blockchain. In this way, we will get the amount of Wcru that we will receive and the amount needed for the conversion of Wcru. Next, let's get back to the action. Where do we obtain Wcru and USDU? On the Unitex exchange. After successfully registering and verifying your account, you can easily exchange cryptocurrency or fiat currency to USDU. The USDU you can then exchange for Wcru tokens or untb. How do we fund the exchange? You can fund your exchange platform by clicking on your wallet and choosing the deposit option. Please notice that already we have to pay a transaction fee. This is exactly why we had the 10% buffer added on our calculator to cover these costs. After registering and funding the exchange wallet, I personally recommend using the market price and not setting a limit on orders. This will speed up the process. Plus, we already have included the 10% buffer that will help us overcome any minor costs. In this example, we are funding the account with $1,000, followed by a 7% commission. For $930, we will purchase USDU, purchasing them on the exchange. Let's consider we will lose a couple dollars here as well. Next, for 130 USDU, we will purchase 4,455 Wcru tokens, and we have 798 USDU left that will transfer to the blockchain, after which we will transfer the purchased Wcru to the blockchain as well. The instructions for Wcru to Wcru conversion exchange is in the description. Here we have the withdrawal button where we can place the address of our blockchain wallet's address for the withdrawal of USDU and Wcru to the blockchain. Let's conclude. You have fiat currency or cryptocurrency. You would like to purchase Wcru and there are two methods of doing so. The first method, all you have to do is register on UGPay through the link provided to you or through the link in the description. Fund your wallet and make your purchase. This way you will be given a wallet, you can place your Wcru for staking and receive untb and USDU dividends. The second method is to register on Unitex exchange. Fund your account and buy Wcru and USDU, convert them to Wcru and stake them for untb and USDU dividends. Please keep in mind that the first method is simple but more expensive. For the same amount of money you will receive a lower amount of Wcru. The second method is much cheaper but more complicated. You will receive more Wcru for the same amount of money. I would like you to note that the company has already published a schedule of dynamic commission fees. From the 1st of August, for the purchase of one Wcru token, you will pay 50 cents, one way or the other. Attention! From the 1st of August, the purchase of Wcru will cost the buyer 50 cents, regardless of whether you are purchasing through the personal dashboard or through the exchange. Purchasing through the first method is a whole lot simpler and everyone will receive partner rewards. Also, I would like to note that the rising commission of conversion will continue to grow. By September, we'll reach 80 cents per Wcru token. Hurry to make your purchase as soon as possible. Another important piece of news is that most probably from October, the purchase of Wcru will only be available to qualified investors. These are the regulations that will be put in place by the Russian Federation as well as international standards. The company also gives everyone the opportunity to pass your international qualification and always have the ability to purchase the tokenized digital shares of the company. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel, and in the words of my dear friend Ivan the Finance Jedi, may the force of financial freedom always be with you.